Hello, welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today, I'm going to show you all the parts I got. In the last video, I believe it was the carburetor video, I cleaned everything I had, but I did order new parts. We have a new cap, new rotor, and a new ignition module. And I've also got the other piece, which I don't remember what it's called. It's coming. So hopefully it'll be here in the next day. Then, from the episode before that, I have a new brake line in. The final brake line. And, as a bonus, I got new rear shocks because that one was blown out. Now the other thing I'm doing today is I'm going back to just using the microphone on the phone. Turned off the enhancements, because even my microphone with the enhancements off that I was wearing before distorted the sound of the car. And we're getting ready to go sit in the car, let it warm up, and then we're going to finish tuning it up. Because today, I bought a vacuum pump, and we are going to do the fuel-air mixture on it. Alright? And I just learned how to do it, so this will be fun. So this video will probably be carburetor and brakes part 3 combined. How's that sound? All right, let's get started. Well, hello. Let's see what we can do here. We're gonna pump it once and then start. Pump. Let's connect the battery first. All right. Until I find out what's drawing this power down, that's the only way I can keep this battery alive. All right, try it again. Car's been running now for about 5 minutes, and you can see temperature's gone up. It is between, it's probably about 180. It's between 100 and 200, but it's closer to the 200 mark. So maybe we can start playing around with it now. Alrighty. First thing I'm gonna do is mess with the idle mixture. This car is way too rich. That's a backfire. Oops, too much. Oops. Backfiring. All right, let's see what the idle's at. Idle's at 1,000. We want it lower than that. Alright, this is the idle. Back it off a little bit. I don't hear any difference. Let's go look. Okay, we do have a difference. I'm shooting for about 850. I think that'll be fine. It looks like it's about 950. 900, 950. Come back just a hair more. About half a turn. Again, can't hear a difference. And can't see a difference. Guess it'll take a little more. Another half turn. Now I can tell an audible difference this time. I keep hearing something cycling, like it's the air conditioner, but it's not connected. It's coming from over here. See if you can hear it. Right there, did you hear it? There's two relays, one here and one here. I wonder if it's one of these relays. Don't know. Alright. No matter what I do, it looks like it stays the same. So let's go with that for now. Let me go get the vacuum gauge. Okay, we're at the back of the car. You can actually breathe a little better back here now. My eyes are still watering a little bit, so we're still rich. This is the new vacuum gauge I got. Ta-da. And before, when I was turning the screws up there, I should have been using this, but I knew she was rich, so I tried to back her off anyway. Now we're going to dial her in, okay? Finally idling down about 8. So we're at 850. We're at 850. I wouldn't call it perfect because it needs more timing, but ow, that's hot. I would say it's much better than it was. I've got all the parts. I gotta replace the cap, the rotor, the ignition module, all that stuff, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just sort of fiddling around with my new toy today, which was my thing. And I got her tuned in a little bit better. You stand at the back of the car and your eyes don't water now. I need pliers.